Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Wi-Fi hotspot capable, automatic emergency braking, heated driver and front outboard passenger seats, in-vehicle trailering system app, AM/FM Sirius XM radio, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, forward collision alert, wireless phone projection, GMC infotainment premium audio system, heavy-duty 80-amp battery, and has less than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.